Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the USB and tools. This step saves time. Insert a 16 GB drive and backup files. The image will overwrite it. Use Rufus or the Chromebook recovery utility to write the Chrome OS Flex image. Choose the image file and target USB. Select the correct partition scheme for your machine, MBR for legacy BIOS, GPT for UEFI. Once done, click Write and wait. This creates a bootable, read-only installer that your PC will recognize on startup. After creating the USB, reboot the target PC and open the boot menu. Keys vary by manufacturer. Choose the USB device and boot into Chrome OS Flex Live environment. You'll see a quick demo. This confirms hardware compatibility like Wi-Fi and display. When ready, select Install and pick whether to erase the disk or keep existing partitions. Erasing ensures a clean system. Make sure AC power is connected and that you don't interrupt the process. Installation writes partitions and copies core files. Finish by completing the out-of-box setup. Sign in with your Google account and allow updates so drivers and firmware configure correctly. Once installed, remove the USB and reboot to confirm Chrome OS Flex loads from the internal drive. If something fails, try a different USB port or recreate the installer. Corrupted writes are common. Also verify BIOS settings. Enable legacy USB support or disable secure boot if required. If hardware issues persist, boot live from the USB again to inspect logs and retry installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.